Hasaa Al-Khodar, vegetable soup. A soup from Saudi Arabia. Serves 2. You will need 8 ingredients. Step 1. Chop the vegetables into medium-sized pieces. Step 2. Wash the chicken, or meat, well and place in saucepan with enough water to cover. Step 3. Bring to a boil, then let simmer, removing the froth from the surface as it appears. Add the spices and salt. Step 4. When the meat is almost cooked, add the vegetables and macaroni and continue to simmer until thoroughly cooked. Step 5. Pour into a tureen and serve. If chicken is used, it may be removed from the soup when cooked, and then fried. Serve along with soup. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.